Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now today, we're going to talk about the Phillip Paulwell, Babymother and child case again. That's 10-month-old Saraya and her mother, Toshina Patterson. Turns out one of the man them were actually do the killing, plead guilty, and he'll be sentenced November 15th. This case will move fast, as in next month, November 15th, Case will fly like a Superman. Never talk about it. Announcement this Sunday. I see a little story dropping in the media. And I must say, there's a big update on the world spread case. So, I'm giving another video. This one was somebody who on the ear mentioned frequently in the world spread recordings. Not Klansman recordings, but the world spread recordings. We kept hearing the name Problem Child. Yeah, but no say, when we sit up and pay attention, no. Problem Child. Yeah, no, people are all kind of unicorn meat about who Problem Child is, where him dead, what him to him. People say him dead, people say him run away, people say he was the witness, all kind of things. Sunday, we're gonna go find out who was Problem Child. You don't want to miss it. Tell a friend to tell a unicorn. Now, we could get back to the brutal slaying of 10-month-old Saraya Paulwell and her mother, Toshina Patterson. Big update. One of the man them plead guilty. November 15th, might get sentenced. I tell you, everything I move fast to that case. Now, dropping the papers say, and there's a direct quote from off a loop. The media have been asked not to name the convicted man at this time, reportedly because of security and safety reasons among other factors. And when there's something like this, a bag of man get hold up and one does plead guilty, and you see him sentencing, right? Come up so fast. You know what's about to happen, right? PVC, right? H2O, Tangent, right? Tangent. I can't give no more than them included. PVC, H2O, and Tangent. So the person in question who plead guilty turned up a court with a team that was led by King's Counsel, Valerie Nita Robinson. Plus him have Rita Allen Brown. That's a heavy team him put together just to go plead guilty. We never wonder how some of them, quote unquote, sufferer can assemble a team to go answer charge. A team that includes all King's Counsel. Anyway, I'm saying plead guilty. Right, I will get sentenced next month. They mention some more details. Right, will you come out for a good while now, but just in case you're not aware. Right. Remember them do a quote unquote world-class investigation. It look like all the speed at which it will go through the court is also world-class. You know, sentencing a man already. Even time man plead guilty, sometime you say we are next year and we are this and we are that. Same thing I move fast. So the prosecution outlined in case and them say that's Bradshaw travelled to Ireland, sole purpose of killing Patterson and her daughter. Remember she tell her to go to DNA. She find out September 5th. Paulwell and her daughter with Patterson. Remember, it was the fourth Paulwell said people are threatening to quote unquote expose him. According to, the prosecutors, again, this is on loop. Right. Bradshaw herself arrived at Patterson's home on September 9th in an SUV after placing several calls to her phone and conversing with her. Probably filling her up on her style. You psych, because she probably say, well, our next woman, our next mother, what's the worst that could happen? Maybe if Paulwell say, yo, come link me, she'd probably get nervous, but or if a man they come call her and say, yo, come link me, she'd probably get nervous, but Bradshaw, let's talk, as mothers, as women. You psychs and draw her out. After Patterson and her child entered the vehicle and spent approximately 15 minutes inside the unit, they were never seen again as the vehicle driven off with them inside. Them say Bradshaw take her to Stony Hill and hand her over to a number of men, including persons who them not even catch yet, so more than 3 men. Right, so some of them they get catch yet. So a whole heap of man. Right, a bag of man. After this, Patterson and a young child were taken to Warwick Hills in East Kingston, in other words, Phillip Paulwell Place, where they were shot and killed and their bodies burned. A strange man can drive going to Warwick Hill go shut up Paulwell, Pitney, and Babymother. If you know Warwick Hills, see, I'm saying when I start read the story, then it does sound like, oh, I can't believe, but enough of this in the start up. This is Phillip Paulwell's place. A strange man can go take Phillip Paulwell, Babymother, and baby. Can go Warwick Hills. Warwick Hills are in place like it's just like somebody saying that, and they kidnapped her and took her to Denham Town, where she was shot and killed. Like, no strange man can just drive going to Denham Town like, excuse me, never mind me, just about to kill this woman and this baby. Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry yourself. And then I told man them just be like, alright, one day thing. When I start work. A whole heap of co-sign have to go on there, so. A whole heap of people have to nod them in. For this one, so. No matter where you come from. If man from jungle want kill somebody, then can just drive them going on Laristan. Carry them somewhere, shut them up, right? Burn them body and just drive go back out to Laristan. They can't drive going to Tarston, shut them up, burn them. That's not how this work. Warwick Hill is one of them place there. It's Phillip Paulwell's place. Could I go anyway? And then go East Kingston, Warwick Hill, just drive going to shut them up and come back out, nothing. It's a strange man who have nothing to do with East Kingston, nothing to do with Phillip Paulwell place. It's just not adding up. But I must say, I'm a little YouTuber still. So, let me say, one of the men did guilty. Might get a fast sentence. But the story, incomplete. Leota Bradshaw, if you just want to put money upon the woman on her pit in the head, she never have to fly down for that. She could have stayed in America and run the program. But in my opinion, it would have been harder because Patterson would have probably been spooked if she even say, yeah man, come meet me around here, so. Probably like, what do you mean, come meet her with 4? Go meet that man there around there, so. But, Babymother to Babymother, woman to woman, mother to mother, that's an easier draw out. Just like how them use kerosene for draw out, man. Leota Bradshaw draw out. She let her guard down because it was a mother. It was another woman. But that's why I meet him and I meet the baby, man. But we must say the whole of you lose her life. My baby lose her life too. All I say is the story incomplete. And it look like it's not going to be complete. And you might be thinking to yourself, well, maybe one of them I will call other man name. Maybe I go say, if somebody have to go down for this, the other Bradshaw go down by herself. Based on how the man described it though. Whether she was acting alone or not. The other Bradshaw is a monster. That's all I have to say. Yes, man, whether she did this all by herself or she was playing a role, it no matter. From the moment of picking up the woman up until handing her over and the rest of what played out, the man who plead guilty talk. And when him talk say, that woman is a monster. But she's a female, so I'm sure she has her reasons, and we shouldn't judge. Nobody's perfect. Maybe she was depressed. These are the things they use to justify female barbarism. Anyway, look out for the problem child video this Sunday. Patience spot, be open yourself. Yeah, you don't know more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.